Welcome to Sarah Kate's room. Give you a little general tour. And walk over here, and that's her monitor. These are her medicines, 2 are flushes. The one on the bottom is the prostaglandin, one that is keeping her with us. Mommy got bored, made some flowers. Those are her growth charts. She's getting big. I think she hears me talking about her. Let's look at her. Oh, yep, we lost. Oh, we're good. Okay, and then over here on our window, Sarah Kate Rocks. This is the backwards view. And she's talking to me again. Let's see here. Oh, get it. Get it. Oh. So that's what I wanted. Alright. Just wanted to show everyone the room. Not too exciting. Oh, we're beeping.